Hello, welcome once again. We continue with the reverse percentage question using the multiply method. Now, I want you to remember that most of the time in exam question, you will not see the word increasing percentage or decreasing percentage, but there are phrases to suggest that it's an increase or decrease. So this is an example. Example 1. Joanna's water tank sprung a leak. The tank loses 18% of its water. There is now 1,476 liters of water in the tank. How much water was in the tank before the leak? So first important detail, we are looking for the amount of water in the tank before the leak. So that suggests we are going back to the original amount of water, so it's a reverse percentage. Second, we are talking about water leaking. That means the water level or the amount of water is going to reduce. So that suggests it's a reduction in percentage. So to create your multiplier, losing 18% means you are decreasing the water content by 18%. And original water content is 100%. So 100% minus 18% is 82%. Divide by 100 to convert into a multiplier. So that's 0.82 as a multiplier. And since we are looking for the amount of water before is a reverse, we divide the given amount of water by the multiplier. We divide, and that gives us 1,800 liters. So the water amount was 1,800 liters, and we lose 18%, and that gave us 1,476 liters, 1,476 liters. So this is how we answer reverse percentage using the multiplier method. Let's look at another example. Michael scored 88% in his recent maths test. He scored 110 marks in the test. What is the total marks of the test? Now the first thing we need to understand is that if someone scores 88% in a test, that means the person has lost 12% mark of the test. So the 88% itself is the reduction of 100% minus 12%. That has already given us 88%. So total marks is 100%. So if a person has scored 88%, it means he's lost 12% of the marks. So we have 100% minus 12%. That gives us 88%, which is actually the multiplier if you divide by 100, 0.88. And because we are looking for the mark before the person lost 12%, it's a reverse. So we divide 110 by 0.88, and that gives us 125 marks. So this is also reverse because we want to know the original mark before the person lost 12%. So it's also a reverse percentage. So that is what multiplier does when it comes to reverse percentage. Remember to divide the original amount by the multiplier. So next slide we're going to look at repeated reverse percentage. Repeated reverse percentage, that will be our next slide.